If PP is the solution of system of linear equations, then which of the following must be true? So when they have given solution, we'll just substitute in terms of A and X and Y. So this will be X, this will be Y. First equation, A into X becomes A into P plus B into Y becomes B into P plus of T minus S is equal to 0. Then the next equation, B into X means B into P plus A into Y means A into P plus S minus R is equal to 0. Now we see that we have AP, AP, BP, BP. If we subtract both of them, when we subtract them, they get cancelled. These two get cancelled. Okay. AP gets cancelled with AP, BP gets cancelled with BP. Okay. So we have T minus S, this plus S becomes minus S, minus R becomes plus R is equal to 0. These two S we have, we'll keep them on that side. T plus R is equal to 2S. So where is the answer? 2S is equal to R plus T. Option C is the correct answer. A right triangle with sides 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters is rotated about the side of 3 centimeter to form a cone. What happens? So this is forming a cone. Rotated about 3 centimeters. This is the 3 centimeter axis. If this is 3, this is 4, hypotenuse is 5. What is the question? Volume of the cone. What is the formula for volume of the cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. So 1 by 3 into pi into what is r here? As you can observe, this is radius. This is r. So 4. 4 into 4 into what is h? This is h. This is the height. 3. 3 gets cancelled. 4 into 4 is 16. 16 pi centimeter cube is the answer. 16 pi centimeter cube. Option C is the correct answer. If mean is equal to 3 median mode, what is the formula? We know that the empirical formula is mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. This is the actual empirical formula in statistics. So let us just rearrange to get mean on the left hand side. We have minus 2 mean. I will send it this side, becomes plus 2 mean is equal to 3 median minus mode. Okay, this is what it becomes. So mean is equal to 3 median minus mode into this 2 comes this side, becomes 1 by 2. Correct? 2 on this side becomes 1 by 2. Now they have told into k. So they have just written into k and we have got into 1 by 2. So what is the meaning? K means 1 by 2. That's it. Option C is the correct answer. The probability expressed as a percentage of a particular occurrence can never be. Percentage has to be either 0% to 100%. It cannot be more than 100%. It cannot be less than 0%. Less than 0, less than 100 possible. Less than 0 not possible. So option B is the correct answer. Because it can never be less than 0%. Less than 0 means negative number. Negative number not possible in probability. 15th question. Sum of the lower limits of median class. What do we mean by median class? Median means the middle number. We have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So this is median class. 10 to 15 is median class. And modal class. Modal means highest number, frequency. Highest frequency 21. This is modal class. 15 to 20 is modal class. Sum of the lower limits. These two are the lower limits for each. So 10 plus 15, 25. Option B is the correct answer. If length of the shadow on the ground of a pole. So this is a pole. This is the shadow. So right angle triangle we get is root 3 times the height of the pole. If the height of the pole is 1, this is root 3 into 1, root 3. Then the angle of the elevation, we need to find theta. So when is tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3 when theta is equal to 30 degree. So option B, 30 degree is the right answer. In the given figure, PT is a tangent to the circle, so this will become 90 degree because radius is perpendicular to tangent. TPO is 25. So together this triangle, the sum of the angle should be 180. We have got 90. So the remaining should be 90. We have got 25. So this will be 65. And this entire line, this line should be 180. 180 minus 65, 115. Option D, 115 is the right answer. Let me repeat it again. Tangent is perpendicular to radius, so this is 90 degrees. The remaining two should become 90 degree. This one is 25. The remaining part is 90 minus 25, 65. And those two together, this is a straight line, so it should be 180. So 180 minus 65, 115 is the correct answer. Cards numbered 1 to 20 are placed in a box and mixed thoroughly. A student draws a card randomly from the box. Then the probability of drawing a card which is neither a multiple of 3. So first we will write multiples of 3. 3 1s are 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18. Same way 5 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. So forget about the common number, leaving the common number, how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 out of 20 is a probability of getting a multiple of 3 or multiple of 5. But they are telling neither. It is neither means, so it will be 11 by 20. Because 20 minus 9 is 11. So 11 by 20 will be the correct answer. Option E is the correct answer. So assertion reasoning question we have. LCM is, they have asked the LCM. So let us check the LCM. 25 means we can write 5 square. 35 means we can write 5 into 7. 45 means 5 into 9. So what is the LCM here? LCM is nothing but 5 square into this 9 can be written as 3 square because prime factorization, and then we have 7. So when you multiply this, we get 1575, which is the correct answer. And HCF is highest common factor, which is 5. HCF is 5. So assertion is correct. Assertion is true. Let us find out the reasoning. Multiply these two. There it says that when we multiply 1575 into 5, what is the answer we get? We get 7875. This should be equal to A into B into C, that is 25 into 35 into 45. So when we multiply this, we get 39,375. So these two are not equal. So reasoning is false. Assertion is true, but reason is false. So option C is the correct answer. Let's go to next question. This is the last question. Length of a tangent drawn from a point 8 centimeter away from the center of a circle. So we will draw a circle from the center 8 centimeter. From here there is a tangent drawn and circle's radius is 6. This is 90 degrees, so this is hypotenuse. To get this value, this will be 8 square minus 6 square. Correct? So what is 8 square? 64 minus 36, we get 28. What is the square root of 28? It is 4 into 7, 28. So 4 comes out, so becomes 2 root 7. So this is correct. Assertion is correct. 2 root 7 is the answer for this. This length is 2 root 7 centimeters. So assertion is correct. Next reasoning. If the angle between the radii of the circle is 130 degree, if I take this as one radii, if I take one more, this is 130 degree, it says. Then the angle between the tangents at the end point is 50 degree. Naturally, this sum will be 180 degrees. So 130 means the remaining part is 50 degree. So this is fine, no problem. This is correct, but reason is not correct. Assertion is true, but reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. So option B is the correct answer. Okay. Reason is also true only, but it is not the same correct explanation for assertion. So we'll go with option B.